fire and fire-fighting equipment. Fire extinguishers. There are various types of fire in the field of aviation. In earlier days, the aircraft featured various types of fire extinguishers to fight different types of fire. In those cases, the appropriate or suitable type of fire extinguisher for a particular type of fire would have to be fetched from the location where the manufacturer would have positioned the same. Fire axe or crash axe. This equipment is required and provided on board to cut open the panels inside the aircraft cabin that are obstructing, to locate the exact location of the origination of the fire, the base of the fire, to cut certain electrical lines which are affected by the fire or might be responsible for spreading the fire further, to cut open any path for evacuation. Fire or crash axe has a pointed projection on one side of its handle and a sharp-edged structure for cutting on the other side. Asbestos gloves. These are provided to safeguard the user's hands from the fire and enable him or her to negotiate with the high temperature emitted by scorching metal parts, which the user might have to touch during the firefighting activity. For example, if the said metal sheet, after having been cut by the axe, is to be removed or bent for locating the base of the fire, the job could easily be done with the help of the asbestos gloves. Smoke goggles. It is essential that the crew members should remain safe to be in a position to help the passengers in any emergency. In case of fire emitting smoke or toxic fumes, it becomes imperative for the cabin crew to safeguard their eyes, to acquire a clear view of the fire and the surroundings. To fulfill this criteria, the smoke goggles are provided aboard. Portable oxygen cylinder with full face mask. It may appear quite surprising that portable oxygen cylinders could be regarded as a part of firefighting equipment, although oxygen encourages the fire to propagate. Portable oxygen cylinders with a full face mask are utilized to safeguard the cabin crew from smoke and/or toxic fumes emitted from the fire. Oxygen masks. 1. First aid type. These masks cover the nose and mouth of the user and as such are commonly known as oronasal masks. The mask is connected with the oxygen cylinder by a pipeline, having a bag in between the connecting point of the pipeline with the cylinder and the mask. 2. Full face type. These masks cover the whole face of the user, crew member, while fighting the fire with smoke and/or toxic fumes in particular. 3. Quick donning type. The operating cockpit crew and other occupants of the cockpit, like the observers and all the supernumerary cockpit crew members, use these masks. These special type of masks, that look like baseball catchers' masks, derive their name from the fact that these could be worn within a fraction of a second to acquire oxygen from the system meant for the cockpit crew. These could also be connected with the quick donning mask outlet of portable oxygen cylinders.